Earth as a sphere, we have seen that the Earth has got two types of lines. This is spherical shape, and it has got two types of lines. One is longitudes and the other is latitudes. Okay, when they are joined together, they form this kind of shape. Now the Earth has got latitude and longitude. Longitude are great cycles, while latitude we call them small cycles, because some of them are small in rotation compared to the Earth itself. If you take this ball here, we are saying the latitude which is crossing like this one, this is great cycle because it has got the circumference same as the circumference of the ball. But a latitude which is like this one, this is a small cycle because it has got a circumference around which is small compared to the ball. So all latitudes are small cycles except equator, which is passing at the ball. And the equator is a great cycle because it is great like this ball. But all longitudes are great cycles because they are passing around the ball. Okay, like they are meeting at North Pole and South Pole, the longitudes. It is seen clearly when you look at this one. Okay, if you look at this one closely, you will see that there is latitude, which is equator, which is as great as this one. Okay, and we have small cycles, so which are smaller than this one. Okay. The function of latitudes first is to show position. Function of latitude and the longitude. They have to show position on Earth's surface. For example, if you want to know where is our country, Tanzania, okay, and if you want to explain to other people where is Tanzania, you must explain Tanzania by using its latitude first and you see longitude. So you say Tanzania is at, let's say, 30 degrees north and 40 degrees east or west. Okay? Latitudes are from equator to north, equator to south, while longitude are from prime meridian, which is longitude of 0 to whether east or to west. Okay, so they have to know the position of places. For example, if you refer to this diagram here, Tanzania is at this Tanzania T. This Tanzania point T is at 30 degrees north, 48 degrees east. For example, okay. Another function they help us to know. To find time, okay? They help us to find time differences, okay? Now, once the Earth rotates on its axis, it rotates in 24 hours, so it rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours. And now if you convert those, you find in 1 hour, it will rotate 15 degrees. And 1 degree will be rotated in 4 minutes because the 1 hour is 60 minutes. Now, before everything, you must know how to find the angle between two times or two places. Now, to find the angle between two places, you look at whether the position you are on the same position of equator or of prime meridian. For example, this Tanzania, this Kenya. Tanzania is at 30 degrees north. And this is at 40 degrees south. Now, because they are different position, to find their angles, we add. Now, suppose this is equator. This is equator. So it's 0 here. And now take that this is Tanzania, which is 30 degrees north. And take us like this is Kenya. So I'm joining by using my marker pen here. Now you can see the angles here. So from 0 to here is 30, and from 0 to here is 40. So this is 40, and here is 30 degrees. So to find the angle which Tanzania and Kenya make, we have to add 30 plus 40, and then we get 70. if they are on the same position, you see, if they say Kenya is at 70 degrees, latitude of 70 degrees, okay, and this is again at 30 degrees. Now to find this angle, you must take, this is 70, now from 0 to 70 is 70, now this, the whole bigger is 70 degrees, and from here is 30, so here is 30. Now since from here to here is, from this equator, this radius at equator, to this one is 70, and here is 30. Now the angle which remains here is taking 70, take away 30, and the angle is 40. So you are saying, if two places are on the same position of equator or of prime meridian, we find this angle by subtracting. But if the position are on different position like this north and this south, we find by adding. Now after getting the angle, if you are going to find time difference, you are saying 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. If the earth rotates 1 degree, it uses 4 minutes. So that angle which is the difference in longitude, if rotated, it will be how many minutes? Like here we say 1 degree is 4 minutes. Now 70 degrees, how many minutes? Then we get, if we multiply, we get 280. Now convert 280 into hours. Now this becomes 4 hours because you have to divide by 60. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So you get 4 hours and the remaining 40 minutes. So 4 hours and 40 minutes. Look at this example. Suppose it is 10 a.m. at Accra, Ghana, which is 30 degrees, 48 degrees west. Find the time at Mumbai, India, which is at 30 degrees north and 60 degrees west. So I will give you some time to find the angle, okay? Now, do we add or do we minus? You see, they are of the same position. 30, 30, but this is west, west. Now, we take away the bigger, subtract the small longitude. So it will be 60, take away what? 48. What are we getting? 12 degrees. We are getting 12 degrees. So, if you are getting 12 degrees, now you go to our time difference. We are saying 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? If the earth rotates 1 degree, it uses 4 minutes. So how many minutes will the earth use if it turns 12 degrees? So this cross multiplication, you find time here, this time difference. Okay, so if you do well, you will get how many? 48 minutes. Okay, now if it use 48 minutes, now you ask yourself, is it rotating from Ghana? We are taking from Ghana to Mumbai. Is it going in east or in west direction? If you look at it from Ghana to this one, this is west direction. Now if you draw a number line, if you are talking about west direction, west is in your right hand, and the east is in your left hand. Right hand is east, west is your left hand. In the number line, this is negative, and in the number line, this is a positive direction. To say so, if you are rotating toward the east, we add, okay? And if you are rotating toward west, we subtract. Now, let us ask ourselves, this from Ghana, which is 40 degrees west, to Mumbai, which is 60 degrees west, are we going to westward or are we going to eastward? You can see that we are going towards the west, so we have to subtract that. Now, what was time at Ghana? Time at Ghana was 10 a.m. So we take away 48 minutes. Why did we take away? Because we are moving to the west. So now we are saying here, if we take away, we borrow 1 year, 1 hour, it's become 60 minutes. Take away, we get 12 minutes. This is 2, and here is 5, remain this one 1, so 12 minutes. And here is 9, here remaining is 9, 9 take away 0 is 9. So it is 9 a.m. So if at Ghana is 10 a.m., then at Mumbai is 9 a.m. because it is 48 minutes back. But if it was moving toward east, we could have added the time. Remember, to understand this one, if you are moving toward the east, then we add. If we are moving toward west, we subtract. If we are moving toward north, we add because it's positive. If we are moving toward south, we subtract. Thank you very much. I wish you understand this. We shall welcome you to the next part, which we are going to discuss about the distance issues. For that, we remain.